Drone is up. I got a target carrying submachine guns. Tango number 3. Here's target number 5. There's another one. That's 10. That's 15.
Moving to position.
Let me find a good position.
Moving to a better position.
Target marked. Ready to engage.
That guy's history.
Got it. Moving. I need to get to a better position.
Copy that. Moving.
Got the target. Roger that. Target marked.
Good to go. Target down. Getting a position.
Let me get into position. Hold up. Let me get a good sight line.
Target acquired.
Stay. Eyes on the target. Say the word, boss. That tango's down.
Moving to position.
Let me find a good position.
Moving to a better position.
Got the target. Roger. Target acquired.
Ready to fire. Enemy down.
Looks like Culta is still smoldering. Keep an eye out for the rebel they've got held here.
I got a Sicario over here. In the church. Got it. Moving. Moving to position. Begin position.
Good to go.
Una buena. 8 cilindros, ¿qué más?
I'm opening fire. Round just missed him. He's looking for the source.
Acá hay algo.
You be quiet. They know we're here.
¡Órale! ¡Salgan, hijos de la chingada!
¿Qué chingados esperas? ¡A partir de la madre con todo! ¡Vamos!
Got it,
¡Ya
moving.
quién manda! ¡Disparen!
Here they come. What's the play, boss? I need to get to a better position. Oh, he's dead. We done? Shit, kinda got all excited there.
Hey, hey, abre la puerta, compa. Open the door.
You okay, hermano?
What do you want from me?
Yuri and Polito, the fuckers who tortured you. We're here to make them pay for what they did. But we need to know where they took you.
We didn't travel far. I remembered that much, and it was quiet. Out in the country somewhere. There was a smell, like old animal skins. That's all I know. I'm sorry.
It's all right. At least now we know they're close by. Gracias.